Hello, Delish Philippines. I'm Chef Tato.
I'm Jen.
I'm Donna and I'm here
At the grand launch of Delish Philippines Made an Issue.
Recently, I had a very delicious tasting dinner at Tadhana in Makati. It was filled with deliciousness. Yan.
the pinapaitan of my lola back home in Baguio.
My mom's cooking. Her super dry adobo is my favorite.
I'm from Cebu. One of my favorite dishes from my region is balbakwa. So it's a stew of trotters, knuckles, tail of the ox. Masarap, malasa, malagkit.
So my province is San Pedro Laguna. I would say itik or duck.
I'm from Baguio City, Benguet. That would be the pinikpikan. So it's like tinola, it's comforting, smoky, and it's like a hug.
I'd love to explore more of Northern Mindanao.
Definitely the south. Like Mindanao, Maranao dishes.
I think since I'm all the way from the north, I'm more inclined to maybe try Mindanaoan food.
Because I feel that it's the next frontier for discovering and understanding Philippine cuisine. What's weird is I like avocado with ketchup. Try it. It works.
One of the weirdest I did was actually dipping Pringles into Coke.
Sinigang with bagoong. I think that's a great combination.
Thank you, Delish, for having me.
Follow Delish Philippines.
For more delicious content.